Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to build a website monitoring tool using Node.js and sell it online. Step 1. Initialize a Node.js project and install key packages like Axios, Express, and NodeMailer for checks and notifications. Step 2. Create a function that sends a GET request to the target website and returns a status code and response time. Step 3. Use setInterval open and close parentheses to run the check every few minutes and send an email alert when the site is down. Step 4. Build a simple front-end dashboard with Express or React to show website statuses to your users. Step 5. Add Stripe for subscriptions and deploy the tool with Vercel or Render. Promote it through Gumroad or your own landing page. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.